Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyla. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thanks so much for stopping by. I'm making some quick and easy pillowcases for my 3-year-old nephew who's got a big boy bed now. And I'm making 2 standard full-size pillowcases and 1 toddler size pillowcase, which I've never made before, but the dimensions are just a little bit smaller. Should be really easy. So let's get into this. All right, I've got all of my back panels pressed, and I turned over the one raw edge about 1/4 of an inch and then another 1/2 of an inch. And I'm going to make a straight stitch all the way down. Then I can go about stitching all around the edges. All right, they're finished up. That came together so fast. I can't wait to give these to her because he's going to be so excited. I didn't have full-size pillowcases or pillow forms, so I just stuffed a couple of my queen ones inside just to give you an idea. But you get the picture. They came out so cute. Spidey and all his little friends. I don't know who the other 2 are. I think one is Ghost something. And is it Miles Morales? I don't know. Something like that, though. I'm not up to speed on all my Marvel characters and my DC characters, so I probably should be because my nephew is really into the whole Marvel universe. But he's really going to enjoy these pillows because all he talks about from morning to night is Spidey and his little friends. So I hope that you got an idea to make a quick and easy gift for someone else or for yourself that are easy for adults or for kids. And I really think that by overlapping the back closure will be better for him in case he has a wild night and the pillow form might come out of the case. So that should solve that problem. Well, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Thanks so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, everyone.